All right, we got a one of the Dell G5, their little gaming desktops that they put together. We'll disassemble. First, just taking the case off, just a couple thumb screws here, which they're part of the screwdriver. Of course, it just kind of slides back and lifts off there. Front panel, similar to everything else Dell makes nowadays. You just got 4 little clips here. It kind of just pops off. It does have this little cable here because it has little LEDs in the front. So you got to unplug there. It lights up this little bar here, different colors.